Hello everyone, welcome to UiPath Solutions by Siva. In this video, we are going to cover what is padding, what is left pad and what is right pad. Padding is nothing but adding an extra characters like spaces, zeros or other specified characters to a string to ensure it meets a certain length. To perform this as padding, I have created some sample data. Let me show you. Let's assume, as per the latest changes in the process, product code length should be 4. If any product code length is not 4, then we have to add that many characters to the left side of the product code. In this case, pen has one digit product code. To make the product code length 4, we have to add three extra characters, right? Let's say here the extra characters we are considering is 0. Okay, it means three extra characters we have to add to the left side of this product code. Let me add three zeros to make the length 4. Okay, here book has the product code length 4, then we no need to add any extra character to make the length 4, so then it remains the same 9642. Whereas pencil has 3-digit product code, so we have to add one extra characters to the left side of the product 543. Okay, and sharpener has 2-digit product code, so to make the length we need to add two zeros to the left side of product 87. So here we added the no extra character as 0 to make the length 4. So it called left padding. Let us achieve this left padding using the UiPath Studio. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Okay, we are going to achieve this using the no UiPath. We have the data in Excel sheet. So let us take read range activity to read the data from Excel. Here I am taking the read range workbook. We have the data in this sheet. The sheet name is sheet 1. Let me assign data table. I have already created DT product details. Okay, to go through the rows, let me take for each row in data table. So let us give data table DT process data table. Okay, now we have to take assign activity you know to to apply the padding syntax. Okay, so let me open the Excel file. In this file, all the product codes are in the column B, right? So we have to apply the left pad on this column product code, and then whatever the new code comes right after applying the left pad, we have to write that you know code into column C, that is new prod code. Okay, so in order to apply the syntax on this column, so what is the column name here? Product code, right? Let me expand. The row is current row and the column name is prod code. Prod code dot toString on this string we have to apply the pad left. So dot, type pad left of, the length is, we as per our scenario the length we are considering is 4. So let's consider the length 4. And then what we have to give, we have to give the character, you know which character we have to add, which character we have to append to make the length 4. So we have to pass that character here. So I have already created a character variable. Let me show you. See here, chr, I have created a variable as chr, and the type is char system.char, and the value is 0. So now I'm going to use that character, value is 0. Okay, chr. It means on this string, okay, we are applying the left pad. No, we are adding the extra character as 0 to make sure length is 4. Again we have to add the same value. After applying the pad left, we have to write that value into, column C, that is new prod code. So let me take this value, take this column name, and assign here, you know current row, of column name is new prod, right? So after applying the pad left, whatever the new new product code comes, right, that we are writing into column new prod code. Okay, each row prod code will be verified. If the length is not 4, that many number of zeros will be added to the product code, and that product will be be written to column new prod code. Okay, after completing all the rows, now we have to write the data back into Excel sheet to see the data in the Excel. Let me drag and drop the write range. Okay, write range workbook, the same workbook. Okay, workbook, and the sheet name is sheet 1. Sheet 1, and the data table is DT prod details. Okay, prod details, and we are have to check the add headers. Now let me run and show you the result. Before run, let me show you. Here the column is empty. Okay, let me close, let me run the process. Yeah, process has completed. Now let me open the file. Yeah, you can see that the new product codes are written into column C. Okay, here it is, the product code length is 6. So to make the code length for 3 zeros are added. Okay, appended to the number. The same way here it is, the length is 4, so no need to append the zeros, right? So here it is 3, to make the product code length for 1010 was added. Okay, here also the same way. Okay, now we have to see the right pad. Let me close this. Okay, the same way we can achieve the right pad. Just for our understanding purpose, let me take one as an activity. Okay, let me assign here one string variable. A string variable I have already created, str prod code. Okay, let me hard code the value 9642. Now here we have to perform the write pad. Here the string length is 4 digits, right? Now if you want to convert this string into 5, means if you want to add extra character to the right side of this number, then how can we achieve that? Let me take the message box to show you how to write the write pad. String variable is product code dot pad right of, we want to, here the product code length is already 4 digits. Now we want to, you know, make sure the length is 6. So let me consider 6 here, and then character. We want to add the extra character as 0, right? So let me take the character variable. Okay, let me run and show you. 2 zeros should be added to the right side of the number. Let's see. Yeah, 2 zeros are added to the right side of the number. Okay, to, you know, to make sure the length is 6. Okay, yeah, this is all about the padding, left pad and right pad. Thank you guys, we will see you in the next video.